One of my favorite things to talk about is DHA. The most deficient nutrient on the planet is DHA. I say, it's my belief, okay? Of all the nutritional deficiencies there are, the most deficient nutrition that we have in our society is not protein, certainly not. In America, forget it. We're protein-eating machines here. We're not deficient in carbs, you can tell that because we have the highest obesity rating in the world too. Actually, it makes perfect sense that our deficiency would be in fat. Because if we were all okay with the fat, we wouldn't be fat. Thank you. We wouldn't be fat. Because fat burns fat. Fat doesn't make you fat. But it's the right kinds of fat. And so, how is it that I say DHA is the most deficient fat? Well, let's talk about fats for a minute. Fat surrounds every cell in your body. Every cell in your body has a layer of fat that protects it. If you're not getting good fats, you're probably already not healthy. Certain fats are better than others. Do you know your brain? Your brain is made out of 60% fat. Oh my God, you have a fatty head. 60% of your brain is fat. But 30% of it is DHA specifically. This is a very special kind of fat. DHA is also found in extremely high quantities inside of sperm. No surprise, nature always puts its best foot forward for the next generation. This is true. There's different ways you can get DHA. The main way is through seafood. No buts about it. The ocean is the only source of DHA. There's no other source of it outside of the ocean. That's why, even for vegans, the microalgae is the only way. The way it works is like this. DHA starts out in the microalgae of the ocean, and then the fish eat it, and they pass it on to each other. Little fish gets eaten by a bigger fish, and so on. People have said that the vegetarian sources of omega-3 are the same, and that they get converted into DHA. And this is not true. Not true. Actually, they did study on this because you know what DHA was found to be really, really good for? Aside from lowering your cholesterol and balancing your lipid profile, is found to be an almost miraculous remedy for attention deficit disorder. They give the kids the fish oils in studies. Very monitored studies. And after the kids are on fish oil for even a month, their ability to focus dramatically improve, grades improve, so much so now that they can write it on the bottle, helps kids concentrate. The vegetarian community said, well, the flaxseed and walnut and chia seed are rich in omega-3s, which is ALA, alpha-linoleic acid. That is abundant in flaxseed. It's abundant in nuts. It's abundant in the vegetarian kingdom. This is a type of fat, but ALA cannot convert to DHA no matter what they say. They did studies on these children, and there was no improvement when they were taking the flaxseed oil, none. And also, what they found is they measure their blood profile, how much DHA is in their blood. When they supplement the DHA, obviously, it goes way up. When they supplement the flaxseed oil, there's no change. What are good sources of DHA in the diet? Sardines. Sardines are really good. Salmon is good. If you don't want to take fish oil, you're a vegetarian, you're part of the raw food community, that's fine. You need the microalgae. But these are natural sources. You know, there is a discovery that somebody made with eggs. You have to hunt for them, but there are eggs called DHA eggs now. They feed the chickens microalgae. And then the eggs have like 5 times more DHA than normal. And for anybody that has arthritis or pain in their body, this is really important because this fat, DHA, regulates prostaglandins, which are hormones that reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. Pregnant women, women who have a baby inside, they're growing some other new beings for the world, you need to take a lot of fish oil capsules and eat the fish. And if people don't like seafood, then just take the supplement, because there's a growing body of knowledge, very convincing, that women who are deficient in DHA during pregnancy, the children have way more chances to have brain abnormalities. 30% of the brain is made of that. You know, most of the brain gets produced in utero when the woman's pregnant. So that's a very important time for the woman to eat right. A few things I say are for everybody. DHA, that's for everybody.